Lesson 2. Writing complete sentences. What is a complete sentence? A complete sentence is a set of words that conveys a complete statement, question, exclamation, or command. It is composed of 4 key elements. First, subject, a noun or pronoun that tells you who or what the sentence is about. A noun is considered the person, place, thing, or idea, and a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. For example, he, she, we, or they. Number 2, predicate, a part of a sentence that contains a verb which states what the subject does or is. A verb is a word that shows action or being. Number 3, punctuation, marks that separate thoughts and sentences from each other. This includes question marks, comma, and periods. Number 4, capitalization. Complete sentences must start with a capital letter. In addition, within the sentence, the pronoun I and all proper pronouns must be capitalized. Examples. Example 1. Eco-care promotes collaboration, period. In this sentence, eco-care acts as the subject and promotes collaboration is the predicate. Tip. Proper nouns are the specific name for a particular person, place, organization, or thing. They always start with a capital sentence unless officially they are written in lowercase characters, for example, iPhone or eBay. In this example, eco-care is a proper noun. Example 2. The project is about listening to one another, comma, working beyond borders, comma, and transcending colonialist ideology, period. In this sentence, the project is the subject, and the predicates are listening to one another, working beyond borders, and transcending colonialist ideology. Tip. Sometimes sentences can have more than one predicate and/or subject. In this example, there are 3 predicates. Compound subjects or predicates are joined with conjunctions, for example, and, or, both, either, and are separated using commas, in-text punctuation marks. We must integrate multiple, period, when developing solutions. This sentence has 2 errors. Firstly, the first letter of the sentence is uncapitalized. Secondly, the punctuation is placed in the wrong spot, separating one thought into 2 uncomprehensible fragments. The correct version of the sentence would be, we, with a capital letter, must integrate multiple perspectives when developing solutions. A process of knowledge, exploration, and co-creation. This sentence is missing 2 key elements, the subject, participatory research, and the verb, is. Without these essential elements, readers are not able to understand what the sentence is about or what action is taking place. So the correct sentence would be, participatory research is a process of knowledge, exploration, and co-creation. Because they have repercussions on all the components of ecosystem, period. While this example has all 4 key elements of a sentence, this sentence does not convey a complete thought. This is because the sentence is fragmented. Tip. Complete sentences can only begin with because in limited scenarios, i.e., following a question. The correct version of this sentence would be, declining marine conditions are significant because they have repercussions on all the components of ecosystems. In the written version of this booklet, you can find 2 activities for Lesson 2. This includes an activity where you will be asked to identify the problem in each sentence and rewrite the sentence accordingly. In the second activity, you are asked to practice writing sentences using the rules you learned above using the following prompts. This project focuses ... I care about water governance because ... Lastly, you are encouraged to practice writing sentences from scratch using eco-care vocabulary.